Verse 17 sets the stage for the ultimate tipping point. For 40 days, the flood kept coming on the earth. This wasn't a temporary storm that quickly receded. It was a relentless compounding tide. But notice the immediate shift in physics and grace. As the waters increased, they didn't swallow the ark. They lifted the ark high above the earth. Moving through verses 18 to 20, the scriptural narrative describes a terrifying total escalation. The waters rose and increased greatly on the earth, and the ark floated on the surface of the water. This means every single human refuge completely failed. The high mountains, the ultimate symbols of permanent, unshakable earthly stability, vanished beneath the waves. No higher ground. There was nowhere left to climb and no alternative escape route. God completely submerged the old world, wiping away the deep-seated corruption of mankind to start anew. Verses 21 to 23 deliver the final, sobering reality of this cosmic shift. Every living thing that moved on land perished. Only Noah was left, and those with him in the ark. Verses 21 to 23 deliver the final, sobering reality of this cosmic shift. Every living thing that moved on land perished. Only Noah was left, and those with him in the ark. It sets up a powerful absolute contrast. Outside the wood of the ark, there was total silence. Inside the closed doors, there was absolute life, purpose, and protection. What is our modern take for today? Sometimes, the trials in your daily life don't just happen all at once. They build up gradually until even your high mountains, your backup plans, your stable routines, your best coping mechanisms are completely overwhelmed. But look at the mechanics of the flood. The higher the water rose, the higher the ark was lifted. When you are firmly tucked into God's plan, the rising tide isn't coming to drown you. It is actually acting as the vehicle designed to lift you above the noise and separate you from what's holding you back. Let us close in prayer. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next verse. Lord, when the floods of life keep rising and our highest peaks of earthly security are totally covered, remind us of where our true shelter lies. Do not let the storms overwhelm our spirit. Instead, let them lift us higher and closer to you. Keep us secure inside your perfect will until the waters recede and the new ground is revealed. Amen.